G'day, it's Brian Johnson. It's just gone 1:45 p.m. here in Poland, and I want to talk quickly on the last video. And you saw what we did, how we made the trade. You saw the drawdown, and you can see the drawdown is reducing from the last video even, and you can see the trade that we made. That's in demo. Now I want to talk about how I entered and just go through some rough points for you. So without ado, we're going to go straight over into how we made the trade. First of all, I looked at here and see the 3-1. This is the only area I'm concerned in when I trade 3-1 as buys and 3-4 as sells. Because if one is short, the other is long. If one's long, the other's short. And this for me is the best little one to do. When that trade went into +0 +1, when that trade went into 0 +1, I looked at entering the trade. I thought, wait a minute, let's have a look at the market. And first of all, we want to look at the hedge. So I went straight to the hedge. The hedge price was above the close of yesterday, and it was moving up. Most importantly, the euro US dollar was still going down. The US dollar JPY was going down. The overall trend, as the SHI shows us, the trend is going up at that time. Also, I looked at the currencies, which was the highest and which was whether the JPY was higher than that. We wanted to know if the JPY was higher than then that means that is going down. In other words, it tells you that the euro US dollar group are long. You have to think about that. Next, you want a confirmation. So what do? You look at each of the trades of the three. That's all you need to look at first off. And at that time, we wanted to look at the close. The price was above the close of the day. That's all I really want to know. And at that time, the three groups were going up and these three were going down. So it means long on the I just look at the indicator and you can see what color is it? It's blue. So the group with the three was blue, and at that particular time it was going above, it was above the 50, and the other one was down, going down. So we looked at the long of the three. We went straight away then to the Great British Pound. That was still going up. It was above the 20. And I looked at the Great British Pound US dollar, and at that particular time it was above the thing and it was trending up. So there was a look at all the time the US dollar group was above the JPY group. So it seems sensible that on the check back into here that we would go long on the US dollar group, the Great British Pound group. Now I did that on demo, as you saw in the previous demo, and you saw the results of the trades there, and we took profit of 157. In live trade, I did about 100, roughly about the same, but I did about $160 odd live this morning, and I want to talk to you a little bit about this live trade and some of the things that brokers do. Different accounts have different methods of dealing with you. This is an old account that use, and you'll see a chart charge of $60 on there. This chart was an old system based on CFD trading, which I did lots and lots of it, and share trading. It was based on an incentive to more trades, the $60 of credit. If you make heaps of trades, you get a bonus. Pretty smart. So on the beginning of the month, the $60 goes on, and at the end of the month, providing you make trades, it goes off. As I'm only doing Forex now, I asked them that at the end of this month, don't charge me chart charges. I don't need them anymore. I don't want the bonus. I want just straight out trades. So looking at the account of IG Market Live Trades, and we'll just quickly look at it. Here's the trades, and there's the chart charges down here. There's good points and bad points about each broker. This broker does the trades and sends them out into different formats in different currencies depending on that. You can nominate which currency you want trading. I just leave it as it is. It's an advantage for the broker. He plays with the currencies and makes extra money. But basically the profit on those trades done this morning came out to 160, and there's nothing in drawdown. I closed the whole lot out in profit. Okay, so going back, I wanted to mention each broker has different things. You've got to watch their account regularly and check up and see what's going on. Going back into the trade, I'll just round it off. We used two things: the basket, the hedge, what trend it was, the core basket. Going back into our simple thing, we looked at the charts, and the charts gave us a trend, and we used 0 on the hedge. I hope that gives you some idea of trading the 6 currencies, how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this quick moment introduction to it. It's trading the Forex the way I trade the Forex and how I use the hedging. Bye for now from Brian. God bless, and remember, always look at your broker's accounts. Obviously at the first of the month, I suddenly looked at it and said, hey, what's this? I'd forgotten all about it. Okay, but these fees can add up and hold your profits down. Brokers are cunning. You have to keep on them all the time. Bye for now. God bless from Brian.